In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Bluetooth on your Samsung Galaxy Android device. This is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and I have here the Sony XM5 headphones, and they are already paired to the phone, but Bluetooth is disabled. So to turn on the Bluetooth, all I have to do is tap here in the quick settings, and it should show the available devices if there are any, but the headphones, they were in standby. So they should be connecting, or I could do a scan, same. Could tap on the device to connect it. So now they are connected. Bluetooth is connected. I could long press on the Bluetooth there on the button, and I could see the device connected, see also the details of the device, which settings are enabled for it, and I can unpair it also from there. So this is how you turn on the Bluetooth from the quick settings menu option there. If you don't have this button here, you could swipe down another time so you see more buttons. And if you still don't have this button there, there is the option to edit this whole menu and this pencil icon there. You can edit the one swipe down quick settings and the full quick settings. So I could edit this one, and I could add and remove buttons from there. And this is the Bluetooth device. That's the Bluetooth device button. Usually you want to have this on the top row to be able to turn on and off Bluetooth for devices when you want to connect headphones or speakers. Thanks for watching.